Alright, hello everyone and welcome. I am Miss Del Riego. You all know me as Miss D. This will be our main source of communication for the next 5 weeks. We'll be working with Miss Mixon's Math, Mr. Holsdorf's English, and Miss Evangelo's Science classes to put on a mini Olympic event at our school at the end of our 5 weeks. This event will be on track and field and be a mini Olympic event that we will be researching. For the next 4 weeks, you will be collaborating in small groups and you will have 2 jobs. The first is to work with an outside community partner to get equipment, funding, or other donations for our Week 5 event. You'll be working with that with the other classes as well to make that run smoothly and go on. The second job will be mainly in our class, and you will look at the history of the Olympics and how it reflects to the U.S. history. In class, we will be reviewing American industrialization, also known as the Gilded Age. You will work on a group presentation and share the research your group provides. You will be responsible for providing basic information such as when the U.S. first joined the Olympic organization, which was in 1894, and they participated in the Athens Games of 1896, and they won 200 medals there. You will need to provide information about why it is important that the U.S. participated in the games, and you will also need to provide examples of other games and what was happening in the U.S. during that time. So now I'm going to take you through this website and show you why it's important to know. Please become familiar with it, review it. You will be using this on a weekly basis. Have any questions that you might find through this website on Monday. We will go over questions and put you in groups starting Monday. So this is our home page. It's going to review everything that we've gone over. The video is here for reference. It has our objective as well. If you go up here to the top, you can switch and we will go to the project. So in the project we have the guidelines, deadlines, and directions that you will be focusing on. You will need to know presentation and collaboration. Those are the 2 main things you will be working on. I will also add additional resources to the section over here, and working with community partners will be very important as well. This is the example of additional examples you'll need to provide in your presentation. So I looked at the 1968 Mexico Summer Olympics, and at that time we were going through the civil rights movement. So as you can see, they were showing the inequality that was still happening during the civil rights. So you're just going to find any simple connection that you can between an Olympic Games, the events, and what was happening during U.S. history. So our next tab is the quiz. You will need to finish this quiz by week 3 or March 1st on our timeline. You can take it as many times as needed until you get 100%. During week 3 there will be another quiz about everything that we've gone through so far, and you will need to complete that one as well. Our last page, instructional resources. This page will constantly be updated. Please watch these 3 videos right here before Monday. And here are some additional links so that you can start your research, and we'll be adding links as we continue doing research as groups in class. Any presentations or lectures that we do in class will also be on this area as well, so make sure you can look this up for reference. This last page is the rubric. So your rubric will guide you on what you need for the presentation and what you will be working in collaboration. I'll see you guys Monday.